Yes, of course, Clash Nation. At nandito, makakasama natin at hindi magpapahuli sa opening kanina. She is very powerful sa kanyang fiery red outfit at powerful performance. Ladies and gentlemen, and the Clash 2024 Grand Champion, Naya Ami!
Hi everyone! Hello guys! Kamusta po, Clash Nation? Grabe naman, sobra in red. Naya, kamusta naman ang feeling na ikaw ang nag-opening?
Uy, grabe. Sobrang nostalgic ng feeling. Kasi sobrang bago and nostalgic at the same time. Kasi bago yung stage. Grabe, guys. Pasabog yung stage. And also, nakakamiss yung feeling na contestant ka. Pero now na opening, sobrang saya sa feeling. Kasi sinasabi ko sa utak ko, I was once here.
Sobra yun ha! I was
once here! Ayun. Sobrang nakakataba ng puso.
So, syempre, happy kami kasi before, di ba, parang nung season yung Clash, di ba? Tapos ngayon, nagpe-perform ka na para i-welcome naman yung mga bagong set of Clashers. At saka, ang powerful talaga ng gloves mo.
Totoo!
Ito yung swerte actually.